Alright folks, I'm here in the leather shop today. My chaps got a chunk taken out of them and a tear up by the leg part, so I'll be repairing it. I didn't document the fringe stuff, I'm sorry, but you could get to see the tear. It's right there, it goes into where it hooks on. I'm going to glue it, I'm going to patch it, then I'm going to sew it. Got that sewing kit to help. So for yeah. Where the fringe came off, I already glued, you won't get to see that. But it tore right along there and down and then right there.